Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to another review video. In this video guys, we have the Motion Kingdom, which is a new product on the JV Zoo. So basically guys, I will show you what is the Motion Kingdom, the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, and a lot of informations you need to know about this product. Without any further guys, let's get started. Do you know guys that creating a professional and interactive video or any digital media is vital for your business? With a lot of competition in any business, consumers are attracted only to brands that leave an impact on their mind. Just think about it. If you are landing on boring deal video, the first thing you are going to do is to click on the close up button. Proven studies show that professional and engaging videos or digital media can help you get 70% more qualified leads. 80% of the marketing gurus believe that the visual assets, photos, videos, illustrations, etc. are essential with its come up professional activities. Not only that, but a video on the landing page can boost conversions by whopping 80% and help you significantly grow your revenues. So guys, what is the Motion Kingdom? Motion Kingdom is the most complete video creation product. Automatically transforms your deal videos into dynamic animated videos instantly. So guys, here in the sales page, introducing the internet's biggest library of motion assets, compressed 10 of thousands motion animations, motion characters, animated pictograms, 3D inspired animation slides, video templates, and many more. With all these rich motion assets, you can drop them into any of your video presentations, slideshows, VSLs, or in digital media to transform them into a highly engaging masterpiece. So guys, this is some features of the Motion Kingdom. 100% mobile friendly, no technical skills needed, save hundreds of hours of your time, and no more expensive complicated animator software. Transform any of your video slideshows, presentations, or any digital media into a highly engaging masterpiece with an immense library of motion assets. Increase engagement, trust, sales, and conversions with this beautiful digital media. Multipurpose use the motion assets in a range of different digital media, and versatile use with any of your favorite video presentation, graphic, or online app. And this is guys the sales page. So basically there is 3 steps to use the Motion Kingdom. Step number 1 is open your favorite video presentation, graphic, or online app. Step number 2, browse through Motion Kingdom to your favorite motion assets. And step number 3 guys is simply drag and drop your favorite motion assets into your application and transform your digital media into an engaging masterpiece. Like I said guys, this is the sales page, and this is guys here what you get, plus 10,000 multi-purpose animation library to create dynamic videos for all video niches. It works with all video editors without fail. Like you see guys, there is hundreds of options, there is thousands of options you can use. Like you see guys, plus 1400 family animated character, plus 400 business animated character, plus 1000 business animated character, plus 10 video animation templates, plus 77 background library, plus 160 animated icon pack, plus 40 transition pack, plus 120 pictogram animation pack, plus 6000 motion transitions pack, plus 20 baby animated character pack, plus 440 motion transitions pack, and plus 15 modern infography pack. All this in one pack. And this is guys some examples of what you will get inside the motion graphics. Like you see guys, there is hundreds of characters you can choose, and there is a lot of options. And kind of this guys, you can use it for your videos on YouTube, your social media videos like TikTok, Instagram. If you make a contact, it will help you a lot. You can use it for your clients. For example, you can use it if you want to work on Fiverr to deliver some service to your client and charge them which are monthly fees or a one-time pay. Like you see guys, there is a lot and lot of options. This is professional options guys, made by professional designers. Of course these guys will help you a lot to improve your conversion and make a lot of sales by attracting a lot of customers. But guys, there is an extra bonuses you will get. There is 3 exclusive bonuses absolutely free guys. You will get it today for free if you decide to get the Motion Kingdom today. Bonus number 1 is the marketing graphic template. Bonus number 2 is the motion video templates, and bonus number 3 guys is 2022 royalty free music pack. All this guys for only $27, one-time pay, no monthly fees, and you will be benefit from 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using this product guys, or you don't like it at all. So guys, the link in the description below, and I will much appreciate it if you use it to purchase the Motion Kingdom. I will much appreciate it if you use it, like I said, because I will get a small commission guys. Also guys, you will benefit with a lot of valuable bonuses. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is your friend the Honest Hustler guys. Take care and see you later.